Because the derivative being undefined and the derivative being 0 are so important to the ideas of relative extrema, there's a special definition we have of a critical point. A critical point is any value c such that f prime of c equals 0, i.e. c causes the derivative to become 0, or f prime of c, that is, again, c causes the derivative to become undefined. So basically c is one of those values, like in the previous pictures, causing those situations of a derivative being 0 or derivative being undefined. Could be for discontinuity, could be for a cusp, could be for other situations, right? So that's a critical point. So now Fermat's theorem connects the idea of critical point and our relative extrema. Fermat's theorem says if a function has a relative extrema, or relative extremum, at a location x equals c, then it must be that f prime of c equals 0, or f prime of c is undefined, i.e. what? It means that c is a critical point, right? Like we just defined previously. That is, c must be a critical point. Critical point of the function. So this is extremely important. And this is one directional. If the function, first of all, it doesn't have to have any, right? It doesn't have to have any relative extrema. But if the function has relative extremum at a certain location, then that location is certainly where the derivative is one of two things. Either it's 0 or undefined for some reason, like a cusp or a discontinuity. Okay, so since that is one directional, that means all relative extrema must come from critical points. But not all critical points, just write that over here very quickly. But beware, right? Not all critical points, right, generate relative extrema. It's a one-directional idea. Okay, so the main idea is, if you want to find relative extrema, which we do, it's going to be one of the main goals in this whole chapter. You want to find relative extrema, where should you look? Well, you should only be looking at critical points. But that doesn't mean just because you find critical points, you have relative extrema on your hands. That's just the only place they can occur. Okay? They don't have to occur there at all.